just like a present to myself because I've wanted these shoes for so long. I'm so excited. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my gosh. These are the Adidas Taekwondo Mei Ballet. These are like the lace up. Oh my god, so cute. They come with the ribbon lace. Ah! Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me? And then why is it so dirty? And then black. The ribbon? Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I don't know what came over me that made me purchase these shoes, but I'm glad it did. It was a little bit more like it was hard for me to make the purchase for my Amazon cart, you know, like full of stuff that like I need or something like that. But for some reason, I'm like the $96. These shoes, like, okay, and I love that for me. Yeah, I love that for me. I hate that this sole is white because I don't plan on wearing socks with these. So that might be black by the time I'm done with it, but. It's very, you guys give me a second. Oh, there we go. Oh, I love it. Now, I would say right here, it's a little tight. It's a little tight. It's tight in a way where, like, I don't think it's the shoe's fault. I think it's just how it fits. Like, I don't know. I'm not returning it. I'll put it like that. I don't have to play around.